Hello everyone, I hope you're having a nice day. My name is Dimitri Rybak and I'm a consultant for SAP Technologies since over 10 years. And in this video, I want to show you how simple SAP is, how approachable it is, and just to give a little bit of understanding of the SAP processes, which software is used, how can you implement this. SAP is a big consortium of different softwares which you can activate and use immediately with some customization. And if you understand the workflow, the standard processes, it's very easy to integrate. I've been doing this for over 10 years. And let's check together one of the simpler, smaller processes, which is straightforward to do, to understand, and to check. Let's jump right to it. So let's go to the start. So today we're talking about the lead to cash process, where you will get leads. So customers, they will buy something for you and you will deliver this product, which a normal business will do. In this case, the product is a really physical product. So we will do a bag. For the customer, it would look like this. Customer will take a cup of coffee, take a tablet and surf around, and he will get this Facebook ad for a bag, and he will, or she, maybe in this case, will think it's a nice bag, to buy it, and will click on the ad. The ad will forward this to a shop, and in the shop you can put it into the cart, and it will be delivered to you at your home. So this is a normal process from every shop, online shop, where the products are immediately delivered. And how does it look like in SAP? So for SAP, there's standard processes where you can check the process and activate within your SAP system. And to check the standard processes, you have to go to this link to Business Accelerator Hub, and there you will have the lead to cash process. And if you click on that, you can go to lead to cash for cloud deployment. There are different lead to cash processes to do different process steps. It's not always a product which can be delivered immediately. It can be delivered later. It can be created, so built in a factory if it is a big product. But in this case, bags are usually pre-built. And if you have a picture, you have it on your warehouse. And the lead to cash process, there's a small explanation, is a general standard lead to cash process. We brought a scope primarily from business to business, but here we have the customer. And if you click on that, you can go to this process specification. In this process here, you will start the initial campaign. For this, you will use SAP Emarsys to create logic for your campaign, how the pictures would like, how it will be displayed, and so on. Prepare the content and execute the campaign. And if you look on this side, you will see a small screenshot from Emarsys. As here you can see a video directly from SAP describing the application. And you can test you can see that you can do an A/B test, some switches, some forms to enable the engagement. If you go to the process back, so the client will view the offer, will click on the link, and will go to SAP Commerce Store to browse the shop, to view the offer, and to log in, to put in their credentials. And if you click on this button in the process steps from SAP, you will go to the next process overview, which is create customer order. You will browse, still pretty straightforward. You will browse the shop, create the cart, and check out process. So you proceed to buying, and here either you will create an order immediately, so it's a synchronous process, or the order will be created later on where some other steps are performed. To make this easier in this video, we will just stay with the synchronous order. Click on that step, and you will not go, but in the SAP ERP system, S/4HANA Cloud, the order will be automatically created. The sales order will be created. Then some updates. You can update some sales order with some information. Proceed to delivery the products, and after delivery is done, which can be done by delivery providers from connection to DHL or some other delivery providers. You can update the order that it's completed, and then the whole process is completed. There's some other processes like checking the money, saving user information, so customer information, which is then called the debitor in your system, and creating a user database. In some other scenarios, you can create the product, so you have to create an order for production. All of this can be done within SAP, but this is the first glance how the work of a consultant is working. So how to show to the customer what steps will be performed, how the process will be going, and how it will all play out. This link will be posted under this video, so you can click here, check the slides, click on the YouTube videos, and to check the SAP explanations. And on the top, you can find the link to this standard processes and check up yourself for further information. Thank you very much.